everybody. At the Las Vegas International Builders Conference, and here I'm with a gentleman who's also attending this conference. And yeah, please introduce yourself. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Victor Russ. I'm with a company called Acapella. We do finished carpentry and cabinet installations in Northern California.
All right. Yeah, so I wanted to ask Victor what are the different experiences that he has in his industry. It will be related to software and also non-software related, just the industry in itself. So probably the first question I'll ask is, in your business, what processes tends to take a lot of work and that are causing you a lot of headache in the business process?
Right now, the areas I'm looking to streamline in my business is specifically in the realm of estimating and being more efficient and accurate in that department.
All right. So now, Victor, do you have any software that tries to address that, or?
Unfortunately, no. Right now, we're using our own proprietary Excel spreadsheets for our estimating purposes. I find, as a specialty subcontractor, that many of these programs are a little bit too robust and offer too many tools and can get confusing for my estimators. I'm looking for a more streamlined solution specific to my needs.
All right. And what are if you could mention those key things that are your needs, maybe 4 of them, can you mention those things that if you have a magic wand, if you could get those things, what are they? Maybe 4 of them.
Accuracy, repeated results, efficiencies, and those would be the top 3. I don't know if I got a 4th right now.
Okay. Yeah. And do you prefer, being a specialty contractor, I believe you are on site a lot.
Yes.
Do you ever require or rather prefer that whatever software or tool that you use is in a mobile format, or it doesn't matter either way?
That, absolutely. We're talking about 2 different things here now, though.
Okay.
So in a mobile format, I would be looking for that for more of a project management solutions, which I'm also looking for. I'm also looking for those needs to be met too. Yeah.
And then obviously you would also have a back-end side of things.
Yes,
yeah.
Of course.
Okay. So currently for your back-end, I know that accounting is a big thing. What do you use for accounting, if I may ask?
Right now, just our own in-house Excel spreadsheets.
Okay. And before we got on to the interview, you did mention about wanting to create your own software, enlist somebody. Yeah. Have you found somebody now, or you're still trying to source that individual?
I'm still sourcing that. This is something that we've been talking about for a couple of years, my business partner and I, about creating the solution that's specific to our needs. We haven't really got there yet, but I think it's something we need to address, and it should be around the corner for us.
All right. Okay, and here's another question. So many construction companies, specialty construction companies, they are skeptical about AI. I just want to know that if you are in that lot, you are skeptical.
No, actually, I would embrace AI. I think AI has probably a lot of advantages that could help my office and back end, and I would lean into that, absolutely.
All right, that's great to hear. And here's another thing. So primarily my business is based in Canada, and I don't know how much is your business likely to be affected by this potential tariffs that are going to come. I know that
significantly.
Okay.
Yeah.
In what way? Can you tell me?
Where I see this affecting my business is in the tariffs. We use a lot of products that come specifically from British Columbia.
Okay.
And I think during the first Trump presidency, we had an issue of tariffs going through there that affected some commodities to go up about 40%. I'm expecting a very similar result this year, and in fact, it's something I've been advising my clients to get ahead of.
Okay, and what do you do what did you do to mitigate it last time, and what do you plan to do it now? What do you plan to do now?
That's a great question. Last time we were caught off guard and had to just deal with the situation, and unfortunately, we have to pass that cost on to our consumer.
Okay.
This time, what I'm trying to do is with any of the projects that I have right now where I'm going to be procuring materials, actually I was working on one this morning for a large order of Western red cedar that we want to get immediately before the tariffs take place to save our clients a lot of money.
All right. Okay, that's wonderful. Where are you based off, Victor? I forgot.
We're in San Francisco Bay Area, Northern California.
All right, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You've been so kind, and I'm hoping that the way you've answered resonates with many of my audiences, and they may have comments as well, sharing ideas, because we are affected by the same things. Even whether we are in the US or Canada, the tariffs will affect us equally. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Alright guys, that was fun, and looking forward for many conversations like that where we learn from each other. Thank you.